To show you some proof of why I believe we're heading for our stock market crash, and a big one. If you look just at QQQ alone, that indexes the NASDAQ 100, all right, the gains just in the past year, 37.83%. That's almost 4 years in a normal stock market environment that's been like that for the last 50 years, all right? That would be about 4 years of gains, maybe 3 years, seeing as that it is the NASDAQ. Now we move over to 5 years. 211%. That's 20 years of gains in 5 years. All right. Now, mind you, this is all happening because they have not raised, the Fed has not raised the interest rates. All right. That's why all this, because people are parking their money here. And that's soon going to change. You look at the S&P 500. This is the ETF SPLG. 1 year, 32.79%. That's 3 years of gains right there. 5 years, you're at 100%. You're at 10 years of gains in 5 years. Okay, let's look over it. There's another ETF I have is SCHD, which in the year it's up 40%. All right, now this is a value ETF, so this follows all your big dividend paying value stocks. You look at this right here, 40% in 1 year, 87% in 5 years. That's still almost 9 years of gains in 5 years. 1 year, 40%. What's going to happen? What do you think is going to happen when the Fed raises these interest rates? And they're going to raise them. They're going to raise them sooner than what you think. They just pumped into the economy $9 trillion in 1 year. They have to get this money back because inflation is getting out of control with all this printed cash. They have to get the money back there. They're going to have to raise the rates. They're going to try and do it slow. And every time they raise it just a little bit, and that's another reason why I think this crash is going to take probably 2 to 3 years to find a bottom, because they're just going to keep lowering them little bits at a time. And then the money's just going to leave slowly out of the market. And they're going to go into the treasury bonds. That's where the people are going to put their money. And that's what's going to cause this next crash, is the raising of the interest rates. But there you have it. This is more proof, just right here. 211% NASDAQ, the QQQ ETF, 5 years, gained 211%. That's all the proof you need right there to know that we are heading for a major crash. Like I said, I believe the crash is going to take a while though. At first we might see a 20 or 30% drop, but we could see as much as 40 to 50% in the next 2 to 3 years, maybe even a little more than that. And I just figured I'd bring that to your attention. Anyway, y'all stay safe. God bless.